Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset OnePlus Bullets wireless Z2 Bluetooth headphones. So here I have OnePlus Bullets wireless Z2 Bluetooth headphone. By this method you can do factory reset OnePlus Bullets wireless Z2 Bluetooth headphone easily. So to do factory reset, here you can see currently it is in Bluetooth pairing mode. So you can see this is the volume up and this is the volume down key. Okay, now what you have to do is press and hold the volume up and down key together for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and release. And you can see it is successfully turned off. Now after a few seconds it will again, here you can see white LED light starts blinking. Okay, now wait for another 3 minutes. Yes, wait for 3 minutes. After it will reset and turn off. So now I'm wait for at least 3 minutes. You can see white LED light continuously blinking. You can say work in progress. It is refreshing the device. So you can see now it is successfully reset and turned off. So guys, this is the method to do factory reset OnePlus Bullets wireless Z2 Bluetooth headphones easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.